envelops the jagged peaks.
Hold the last cannon!
As the smoke slowly clears, Shang and his soldiers stare at the ridge. Mulan furrows her brow. The haze clears, revealing Shan Yu astride his horse. Countless Huns line up next to their leader. Shang gapes at the massive army.
That doesn't look good.
He turns to his soldiers.
Prepare to fight! If we die with honor!
The soldiers draw their swords. On the ridge, Shan Yu brandishes his sword, then charges down the slope. The Huns follow on horseback, swarming over the hill. Shang leans close to Yao, who readies a rocket.
Yeah. Aim the cannon at Shan Yu.
As Yao positions the cannon, a reflection on Mulan's blade draws her gaze. She spots a tall peak covered with snow. Pushing Yao out of the way, she grabs the rocket.
Hey, come back! Ken!
She runs through the snow, gritting her teeth with determination. Mushu rides on her shoulder. Hundreds of Huns surge toward her.
Stop!
On a hill, she plants the rocket in the ground and aims it at the snowy overhang. As she strikes flint rocks, Shan Yu bears down on her.
Ain't you back with a light that right about now? Quickly, quickly!
The falcon attacks her, and she drops the flint.
Come on, we gotta help!
Yao Ling and Chin Po run toward Mulan. She grabs Mushu and pulls his tail. He breathes a little flame, lighting the cannon's fuse. The rocket sails toward the overhang.
How could you miss? It was
The rocket pierces the snowy overhang and explodes, starting an avalanche. Gigantic chunks of snow and ice pelt the Huns.
Run! It's an
Shan Yu
avalanche!
slices Mulan with his sword, and she falls. A wall of snow rolls over the Huns.
Run!
Mulan jumps up, grabs Shang by the arm, and pulls him away. Yao Ling and Chin Po run toward them, their swords held high. They stop short as they notice the looming wall of snow. They turn and flee. Mulan's horse breaks away and gallops toward the avalanche. The snow buries Shan Yu. The horse gallops up to Mulan and Shang as the wave of snow looms over them. Mulan jumps onto the horse's back and reaches for the captain, but the snow sweeps him away. The horse struggles as the wave rolls over them. Yao Ling and Chin Po dive behind a rock. The snow shoots over them and cascades over a cliff. Mushu rides the flowing snow on a shield.
Where is
He
she?
pulls a Hun from the snow. He lets go. He plucks Cricky from adrift.
Man, you are one lucky bug.
Mulan and her horse emerge from the snow. Another wave knocks them over, and they fight their way out again. She spots the captain. Mulan pulls the unconscious man onto the horse. Chin Po holds up his two friends.
Do you see them? Yes!
Yao shoots an arrow with a rope attached.
Perfect. Now we'll pull them to safety.
Oh.
The rope slips away. Mushu flies to Mulan.
Avalanche! I found the lucky cricket!
We need help!
The arrow with the rope lands nearby.
Ooh, nice. Very nice. You can sit by me.
Cliff.
They head for the cliff.
We're dying. Everyone's dying. No way we survive this. Death is coming.
As they fall, Mulan shoots the arrow.
I let them slip through my fingers.
It lands in Yao's hands, yanking him to the cliff. The soldiers grab him at the edge. Chin Po walks up. He lifts the entire group of soldiers and steps backward. The rope lifts the horse, Mulan, and the others up the cliffside.
I know we can do it. You the man. Well, sort of.
The soldiers hoist everyone to safety.